Hey, it's your movement doc from Balance Flow. Today we're going to talk about hip pain and the FADIR test. So I'm going to let you, Dr. Hertzberg, talk about it.
The dogs are very excited, you guys, okay? Very excited about this one. So whenever you have hip pain, one of the diagnoses is, oh my God, the labral tear, right? But there can be other things that are going on. The point is, try doing this. You want to flex your hip at a 90-degree angle, right? Then you want to, this is called internal rotation. Rotate your foot in like this, your leg, and then adduct it, so bringing it this way. If you have a helper or not, you can just push this leg down. If you feel pain right in that region, it means that you should probably get this checked out. The good news is that whether it's a labral tear or something much more minor, we can still help you and fix it. Jesus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us, like us, share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.